Hello everyone, it's JD here from Studio 2105. Welcome back to MixStream Online, and you are watching another episode of Weekly Update Wednesdays. Stay tuned, watch till the end of the video for a special announcement. I can't believe that this video now marks episode 30 of the Weekly Update Wednesday series. I'm really thankful that I've got the opportunity, and the support to be doing all these videos for you. Doing this YouTube channel was never something that was a priority of mine back then. But obviously, because of COVID-19 and the MCO and all the lockdowns, right, this really kind of accelerated me and really inspired me to do this, right, basically for you, right? Music education, audio education has always been something that's very, very dear and close to my heart. But being caught up with all the studio work, with all the projects, with production, with shows, and when touring in the past, okay, so I never really got around to doing this. Okay, so this platform here on this YouTube channel, right, and also on the Facebook, on the MixStream community page, right. So it's been really awesome. All of you out there have been really awesome, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Now, if you're new to the channel, okay, warm welcome to you, right? And if you are a returning subscriber or another member, right, thank you very much. I do hope that you will continue to enjoy your stay here. As usual, not to forget, a big thank you and a shout out to all the patrons, right? So patrons help to support the channel financially. Now, if you're new here, please do take a moment, head on down and click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I upload a brand new video. And boy, do I have a lot of videos, right? And I'll explain a little bit more later in this video. Do sign up for the email list. The link is down in the description below. If you sign up, you will get lots of free stuff. Okay, for example, my personal snare drum sample library and also my reverb IR libraries. If you want to help to support the channel financially, if you want to help to support the creation of content such as this, it would be impossible without your help. Okay, if you want to do so, head on down to the website below this. You can see the link that's down here, www.patreon.com/studio2105. okay, do help to support the channel, really appreciate it. You get lots of perks and benefits, for example, right, one-on-one tutorial mentoring sessions, you get exclusive content, you get early notifications of all the videos and all the contents that we put out. And best of all, if you sign up for a VIP tier, okay, you get discount codes that you can use towards any of the studio services here at Studio 2105, be it recording, studio time, mixing. So do head on down and check it out if you want to support me on Patreon. Alright folks, down to a couple of updates. First of all, I want to share with you a brand new single from the duo of Marsha Milan and Velvet. I've had the honor and I've had the opportunity of working with them on many songs right before this. Before this, we did Sumada Sabah, we did a couple of other songs as well. They've put out a brand new single, and this song is really special. Okay, so this new song, the title is called Insan Tadau. Now translated right from the Kadazan Dusun language into English, it means one day. Velvet got in touch with me and asked me to help to mix this song. This song was just released last week, so it's a very heartfelt and meaningful song. Do check it out. It is in the Dusun language, but the translation is available on the video. As we all know, well, Malaysia here is going under a second phase. Well, technically, actually a third. It's considered a third wave, but we're kind of undergoing a second phase of a lockdown, which we call the CMCO. We call it the Conditional Movement Control Order, and Sabah, unfortunately, has been hit really hard. The number of cases, like we're talking about like 70% or more, a huge proportion of the cases are happening in Sabah. Many areas, right, are in a lockdown. um, Families are not able to go to work. Families are not able to even like see each other, because in Sabah, a lot of the places, a lot of the towns, a lot of villages are in rural areas, so it involves a lot of traveling, vast distances, right? So, families, loved ones have been isolated, have been separated, and just even going out to get food. And we hear so many stories. We've watched so many of these really heartbreaking stories, right? Of people not being able to find basic necessities, right? Babies and infants, right, not being able to get their nourishment and nutrition, even things as simple as like you know infant formula and infant milk. So anyway, this song is really heartfelt. I do implore you to do go and check it out. All right, the link is going to be down in the description, and it's also going to be floating somewhere up here in this video. Do click on it, all right, and do share with your friends. It's a really heartfelt and touching video, and I had the right honor of mixing this song. Do check it out. Okay, all right, another announcement now. This time for real. MixStream had been postponed already for a couple of weeks. Right before that, I had the music production workshop, and the past 2 weeks ago, I wasn't feeling well. All right, so I had to postpone it. And then last week, all right, the studio was booked to do a live streaming concert, so I had to postpone, right, MixStream yet again. This time around, I've cleared up the schedule. Okay, everything's gonna be good, and hopefully, right, we're gonna be down with MixStream episode 13. Okay, so this week's episode of MixStream will be featuring Dede, my good friend, and his brand new single Mind. So check it out. All right, I will hope to see all of you as usual on this Friday, 9 p.m. right here on this YouTube channel. Okay, we're gonna have a live chat as well, so do join in. Right, set aside your time. Okay, come on and join in myself and Dede, right, in the live chat session. Now, down to the big announcement, right? Well, for those of you all know, I had been conducting the Direct Access 1.0 music production workshop, right, in September and October. So that was more of an on-ground event. But as I promised, we have recorded all of the different classroom modules, the recording sessions, all the live mixing, and also the mastering sessions. And the videos are now out and available. The Direct Access Music Production Workshop is going virtual, and it's going online as promised. Okay, now if you are subscribed and if you have clicked on the notification bell, you would probably have already been notified of the brand new videos. We're putting out like a video a day. I started already on Monday, so by the time you are watching this, there should already be 3 videos out. Okay, so many more to come. Head on down and join the MixStream FB community. Link again is down in the description below. Now, but best of all is, okay, you sign up for the email list. Okay, sign up for the email list, right, and you always be updated whenever we have, okay, new programs or new projects coming up. So all the content from the music production workshop is now up, available online for free. From last count, there's by 30 over hours of videos that's coming your way, right? The classroom lectures, the recording sessions, the recording technique demonstrations, the live mixing session, of course, right? And so much more, right? Do head on down and check it out. By the way, I do want to give a big shout out, okay, to Big A Productions with the venue. Thank you to Anthony and his team, right, for helping to record the video, and also for recording the audio, and of course providing such a great place for us to do the workshop. Special thanks also to Texcel Global Resources. They were the prize sponsor. They sponsored, right, the prizes for the mixing competition. They also sponsored a couple of the microphones, right, the Bayer Dynamic microphones and also the Vanguard Audio Lab microphones that we used, right, during the workshop. And last but not least, okay, a big thank you also to our strategic partner, Chandana, the Cultural Economy Development Agency. Well, without all of these sponsors, without all of these organizations and companies, this workshop would not have been possible. Okay, thank you very much to all of you. All right, so there's no Q&A for this week, okay, because the main thing that I wanted to share with you was the launching of all the Direct Access music production workshop videos online. Okay, so remember, right, either be subscribed and be click on the bell so they'll be notified of all the new videos, or head on down to the MixStream FB Facebook community page, or sign up for the email list. Okay, these are the three ways which you'll be able to access the videos. As usual, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, do leave a like below. Do share this video as well with your friends, and especially I would really appreciate if you would share all the direct access 1.0 music production workshop videos which I've put up. All right, do share them with all your friends out there. Okay, really help out with the YouTube algorithm. Do hit me up. I'm also on my social media, right? Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Really love to hear from you. Do leave your questions and feedbacks, right, in the comments below as well. If you haven't done so, remember to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and if you want to help to support the channel financially, head on down to www.patreon.com/studio2105 and sign up to become a patron today. Till next time, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, right? Take care of yourselves, all right? We are not out of the woods yet, okay, from this global pandemic that's affecting all of us. Okay, take care of your personal hygiene, right? Wash your hands all the time, okay? Wear your face mask if you are going out, or if you're going into, right, closed confined spaces, for example, in a recording studio like this, okay? Stay safe, happy recording and mixing. Till next time, goodbye.